Hello friends, welcome to the channel Neon Push. In this video, we are going to see how to make a car from Mechanix kit. So we are going to make this car. And this is the Mechanix kit. The components needed are A3 one piece, A4 2 pieces, A5 2 pieces, A7 2 pieces, A11 2 pieces, SH 1 piece, it is the small one, SH3, it is this one, and SH4 piece, which is this one. Then you should take one square which has 25 holes, one piece, and we need BT5 2 pieces, which are these. Then we need RB 1 piece, which is this piece. Then we need AB 2 pieces, like this. We need 6 pieces. And we need AUB 5 piece, 1 piece, and we need AB7 2 pieces, and we need TB1 4 pieces for the wheels. And we need 22 bolts and 21 nuts, and mainly we need 4 wheels. These are the components for this project. Now let's build it. First, we are going to make the base. For that, we need A7 2 pieces. We should keep like this. We need this piece AUB5, and you should screw them like this. This should be in a slanting position. Now you should take the BT5 2 pieces. You should take 1 piece. Then you should screw it like this. So after inserting the first B5 piece, you should take AB 2 pieces like this, and if you see one side will be a circle and another side it will be a rectangle with curved sides. So the rectangle with curved sides should be above like this, should be above like this, so that we can insert the wheels. You should take the BT5 piece and you should keep it like this. You should screw it together, both of them together. You should screw it. You should let the base a little bit loose so that you can screw all of them, and you can finally you can tighten them. After inserting one of the pieces, you should insert the second piece. It will be a little bit tough. Now let's go to the second step. You should take the A7 2 pieces. You should leave a hole and you should screw it from the next hole. So after you insert the two pieces, you should take AB7 one piece and you should keep it, and you should insert it above the A11 two pieces. Like this, and we should insert it. So now you should take the A5 piece, one piece, and you should screw it like this. and you should repeat it for the other side. Then you should take the last of the AB2 pieces and you should stick them and you should screw them like this. Then you should take the square 25 hole one piece and you should screw it like this above this. Then you should take AB7 piece, the last piece, and you should screw it in the middle. You should screw it a little bit slanted. Next you should take the A4 one piece and you should screw it like this. Tighten everything. So we finish the car. Now we should really insert the tires. You can see I have took one small one and a big one. The small one will come in the front and the big one will go at the back. So I have inserted the front wheel. Now let's insert the back wheel. Finally, we should attach the RB piece. This will be helped as a steering. Now we finally finish our car. You can use the minifigures as the humans driving. Please drive safely, wear seat belts and don't overspeed. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Neon Forge. Bye.